Today is a great day. Hindu New Year's Day. I wish to tell you two things. Action, perseverance, and positive mindset. Stop talking and start doing. This idea is wonderful. कहने का मतलब है there's a need for action and the action should become real. बात करने से कुछ नहीं मिलता. आपको एक पेंटिंग बनानी है. Instead of just saying I want to draw, pick up the pencil and the paper, start drawing. Even a little doodle is a start. कहते हैं मेहनत करने वाले की कभी हार नहीं होती. Effort never goes waste. हिंदुस्तान गरीब मुल्क है, बहुत गरीबी है, पर हार्ड वर्क और परसिस्टेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पहले आप अपना गोल सेट करिए, फिर मेहनत करिए, रोज लगातार मेहनत करिए जब तक कि आपका गोल आपके हाथ में ना हो. इसके लिए फिर एग्जांपल दूंगी मैं. If you keep practicing your math, even if it is hard, you get better every day. Every little bit of efforts counts. बड़े कहते take small steps and the big dreams will be achieved. इसके लिए break down your big goals into manageable steps. फिर इसका एग्जाम्पल है. If you dream of becoming a great singer, start by practicing for 10 minutes every day. Over time, those small practices will lead to a big progress in yourself. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. उससे हताश नहीं होइए. बिना फेलियर के सक्सेस नहीं मिलती. Refrain mistakes as chances to learn and grow. ये अपने दिमाग में बिठा लो कि मिस्टेक से सीखो और आगे बढ़ो. फिर एग्जाम्पल दूंगी. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Ask yourself what I can learn from this and then try again. Always find your spark. आप सभी बच्चों को अपना पैशन ढूंढना है और अपने टैलेंट्स को एक्सप्लेन करना है. मेरे पास क्या खास चीज मुझे भगवान ने दी है. फिर इसको एग्जाम्पल से समझिए. What makes you excited? Drawing, singing, playing sports? Find out what you love and give it your best. सबसे जरूरी है कि you believe in yourself. जब आप अपने में बिलीव करेंगे तो देखिए क्या मैजिक होता है. Foster self-confidence and a positive self-image for yourself. You are capable of amazing things. Believe in your ability to learn and grow. And remember, help each other. and grow. Teamwork बहुत important है. Supporting one another is also very important. When you help a friend, you both learn and grow. Together you are stronger. I repeat again. Together you are stronger. Every day is a new beginning. Encourage a fresh start mentality. Even if yesterday was tough, today is a new day. You have a new chance. Forget the past. Focus on the present. And always remember the power of I can. Promote this positive self-talk. And I can do attitude को हमेशा अपने सामने रखिए. Instead of saying I can't, try saying I can try. You might surprise yourself. These self-auto suggestions are very, very important. Celebrate small victories. Encourage children to acknowledge and celebrate their achievements, no matter how small. अपने दोस्त की achievements को भी celebrate करो. Did you finish a drawing? Did you learn a new word? Celebrate it. Every victory is a step forward. Be curious. Ask questions. Cultivate a love for learning and exploration. Never stop asking why. The more you learn, the more you grow. And make a promise, जो चीज सीखोगे, दो को सिखाओगे. Always plant a seed of kindness. बहुत जरूरी है. The importance of being kind and compassionate towards others is very, very important. आपके व्यक्तित्व के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. A kind word or a helpful hand can make a big difference. Let's plant the seed of kindness everywhere we go. देश सबसे पहले, इसको याद रखो. देश सबसे पहले, इसको याद रखो. आपको आज मेरी बातें कुछ अच्छी लगी हैं, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिए और एक कागज में लिख लीजिए कि आप इसमें से क्या क्या करने वाले हो. धन्यवाद.